Most people don't fail because they lack discipline. They fail because they overload their brain with too many changes at once. So motivation collapses, consistency breaks, and self-trust erodes. Not because you're weak, but because your brain protects stability, even when stability is hurting you. That's why the smallest habits create the biggest transformations. Because small behaviors don't threaten your identity. They slowly rewrite it. Think about how most self-improvement plans start. Wake up at 5, cold showers, daily workouts, perfect diet, perfect focus, perfect mindset. And for a few days you feel powerful. Then exhaustion hits, resistance builds, and suddenly nothing happens. Not because the habits were wrong, but because your brain interpreted massive change as danger. So it shut everything down. Here's the psychological truth. Your brain doesn't change through pressure. It changes through proof. Every small habit is a vote for a new identity. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Here are 20 micro-behaviors that quietly rebuild your identity one day at a time. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Not 5 a.m., just 30 minutes. This gives you psychological control before the world takes it away. That tiny time buffer reduces stress, increases clarity, and restores autonomy. Read 10 pages a day. Books are compressed wisdom. 10 pages compounds faster than motivation ever will. Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes under 2 minutes, do it instantly. This collapses procrastination loops and retrains action speed. Plan tomorrow the night before. When your brain knows what's next, anxiety drops and execution rises. Say no more often. Boundaries are emotional self-respect. Every no protects your future yes. Track your spending. Money awareness rewires impulse control and long-term thinking. Cut one digital distraction per week. Not everything, just one. Focus doesn't require discipline. It requires environmental control. Smile, even when you don't feel like it. This micro-movement shifts nervous system tone and emotional regulation. Your brain follows your face. Work in 25-minute focus sprints. Short focus beats long struggle. Consistency beats intensity. Write one sentence of gratitude daily. Not positivity, perspective. This trains your brain to detect stability instead of threat. Compliment one person per day. Social generosity improves emotional resilience and self-image. Avoid screens 30 minutes before sleep. This alone upgrades sleep quality, mood, and cognitive clarity. Stretch 2 minutes every hour. Your body regulates your brain more than your thoughts do. Drink water immediately after waking. Dehydration silently destroys energy and focus. Declutter one small thing per day. External order creates internal calm. Meditate 5 minutes. Not to become peaceful, but to gain emotional control. Reflect on one win before sleep. Your brain learns through repetition. Teach it progress. Write down your biggest goal daily. Attention directs behavior. Take 5 slow breaths when overwhelmed. This instantly resets nervous system stress loops. Set 3 micro goals every morning. Not huge tasks, clear wins. This trains consistency, even on bad days. And here's the real transformation. These aren't productivity tricks. They are identity installation rituals. Each one whispers, "I am someone who shows up." And when your brain hears that message often enough, it stops fighting you. It starts following you. Because discipline isn't dominance, it's alignment. And alignment is built one tiny behavior at a time. But here's the unresolved question. If habits quietly shape identity, what happens when your thought patterns begin shaping your emotional reality? That's where the real rewiring begins. Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe for more content and future uploads. We deliver interesting psychologies and neuroscience facts in a compact format. Have a nice day. We will see you in the next episode.